Hello friends, welcome back to Simply Study. So in this video we are going to make 5 simple and useful DIYs. You can take this personalized stationery material with you to school or anywhere you go. Okay, let's get started. So first we'll make personalized pencils. To do so, we will take few colorful pencils like this. We will take few colorful tapes, creative tapes. You can get these tapes in local market, and then you simply have to roll these tapes around the pencils. So your personalized pencils are ready. Okay, so now we are going to make some easy bookmarks. So you have to first take a piece of paper, cut it into rectangles as shown here. After you have got equal sized rectangles, you can be as creative as you want. You can make any design using watercolor, crayons or sketch pens. Here we are using watercolors and making this random design. You can also stick your bookmark to another piece of paper for more strength. Okay, so next DIY is to get your mind organized and get your work done. So we are going to make a weekly goal list. We need an exam board for this, some sticky notes and some white paper. So you simply have to stick your sticky notes like this, and then you can be as creative as you want. So our weekly goal planner is ready. Okay, so let's now make heart-shaped Upins. You then have to hold the U-pin from the middle and turn it as shown in this video. After turning this, you have to twist the U-pin like this. So your heart-shaped U-pin is ready. So now let's make a simple pouch from this old jeans. Here we are taking the bottommost part of the jeans and we are cutting off the edges just to smoothen it out. Then you can choose your desired length and cut the jeans. Now our jeans is open from two sides. We'll again cut it from one more side to make a proper rectangle. Now we will have to make some slits in our jeans, but before that take a rough piece of the jeans and try that your pencil or your pen, whatever you want to take, is going inside your jeans properly. This is very necessary step because you can use any other cloth for this DIY. Now we will do some markings on the jeans so that when we cut it we have a symmetrical pattern. our jeans pouch is ready. Here we have put a ribbon around the pouch so that we can tie it around. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. This was our first try with the DIYs. Thank you for watching. Simply Study signing off.